If your 2023 to 2026 Lexus RX battery keeps dying overnight, stop. Don't replace the battery yet. There's one thing most owners miss that can save you hundreds of dollars, and I'll show you exactly what it is. This issue is happening to RX350 and RX500H owners. Car is fine one day, dead the next morning. Today I'll show you what causes it, how to test it, and the easiest fix. Most people think the battery is bad. Sometimes it is, but many times the real problem is the battery never gets fully charged, or something is draining power while the car sits. Common causes: short trips every day, leaving vehicle parked for days, dash cams, accessories, key fob too close to vehicle, software modules staying awake, weak factory battery. Before spending $300 to $500 at the dealer, do this first. Use a smart battery maintainer and fully charge the battery overnight. Many Lexus owners only have a low battery, not a bad battery. Next morning, test voltage. If it drops again after a full charge, then you likely have a parasitic drain or failing battery. Easy fixes. Don't store keys near the RX. Unplug dash cams, chargers, OBD devices. Short trips don't recharge enough, especially if parked often. Some battery drain issues can be software related. How to use the battery maintainer on the Lexus RX. Open the Lexus RX trunk. Pull up the latch. Open the battery cover. Attach the clamps. Orange light shows it is charging. Close the trunk. Solid green lights, the RX is fully charged. If the battery is over 3 years old, won't hold charge, or tests bad after charging, then yes, replace it. If this saved you money, hit like and subscribe.